friends, welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we have a fun quiz. What do they do? Let us guess the jobs of different people. Are you ready?
Yes, I love guessing games.
Amazing. So, you will have to guess the different professions based on the clues given in the form of riddles. See if you can figure out which type of job and great time testing your knowledge. So the first question is, I wear a white coat and use a stethoscope. I diagnose and treat patients, giving them hope. Who am I?
I am a doctor.
Yes, amazing. The next question is, I design buildings, both big and small, creating spaces that inspire and enthrall. What job am I?
Engineer.
I travel the world on a flying machine, serving passengers with a smile, keeping the cabin clean. What is my job?
Flight attendant.
Yes, amazing. I care for animals big and small, healing their wounds and answering the call. What profession do I have?
Vet.
Yes, perfect. I wear a badge and protect the streets, enforcing the law, ensuring safety meets. What job do I have?
Police officer.
Perfect. I stand in the court defending the accused, presenting evidence and arguments that are well used. What profession am I?
Lawyer.
Perfect. With scissors and combs, I work with flair, styling hair with skill and taking care. What profession do I bear?
Hairdresser.
I deliver mail to your door with a smile, sorting through letters and packages mile by mile. What is my occupation?
Postman.
Amazing. In a bustling kitchen, I create culinary delight, mixing flavors and ingredients just right. What profession am I? Cooking up a storm each night?
Chef.
Perfect. On stage or screen, I take on a role, embodying characters with heart and soul. What profession am I? Playing a part in the show.
Actor.
Great job, everyone. You have given the perfect answers today. Thank you for playing the quiz with us today. See you tomorrow for more fun learning.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.